so long. I was trying to find out what's happening. Right, Ty has now gone back to lessons and he's quiet and happy, so they think it's quite, it's a good idea just to leave him be.
Oh, okay.
Liz said that she has sent you an email, so if you could pick that up, she'd appreciate it.
Right, okay then.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Cheers, bye-bye. We've had an incident this morning in school and Ty has become very stressed. This has led to him punching the wall several times and hurting his hands. What's this thing with his hands? Between Miss Chalk and I, we eventually managed to calm him down and have applied a cold compress. He is now feeling okay and was asked to have a break and see his friends. Unfortunately, all of this stemmed from him being asked to go to his IT class. Clearly, the stress levels are extremely high, which is why I think we are seeing such extreme reactions to simple requests. My father regularly took us out into the countryside, whether it be to collect conkers or to go bird watching, fishing, regularly outdoors. Yeah, 25 years ago, our son Daniel came along. Little did we know that he was going to be quite a handful. He was a very active child. I think it was when Daniel was about 4 years old, he had a bit of a dream that he needed to escape somewhere and he wanted to live like Mowgli from Jungle Book in the jungle where there were no rules, no stresses. That was his ideal world, the place he wanted to be. That never went away. Approximately 6 months ago, Tyler came into our family, 13 years old, and I became his foster carer. When I depart from this world, I've done my little bit to improve young people's lives. It will give me a good feeling. Tyler had a pretty tough beginning. Home life was tough to say the least. His parents were clearly not able to look after him. Ty can be quite unpredictable with his behaviours. 1 minute he's the greatest lad, the best lad. The next day, total meltdown. He can go to a dark place, a different place that he doesn't want to be in. The only sure way of putting Ty in a good place is when we take him out to the woods, bird watching or anything to do with nature. I think Tyler sees something in Daniel that he likes. When Tyler and Daniel are together, it's like little brother, big brother, but they don't know each other that well. It's quite strange because Daniel sees something in Ty that he can help with in his own way. Maybe he doesn't think he's got the necessary skills, but I think Daniel has without him even realising it.
Oh, I'm exhausted. Dump your bag down, mate. Take a breather for a couple of minutes. Oh. How you feeling? Your back hurting?
Yeah.
It's pretty sore. So this looks like a good location. I spotted it just from around there because it looks like a nice bay.
Yeah.
Right, it is a bay. Yeah, I think what we'd do is just behind us here, we use these two trees where we construct our shelter. And then we've got nice views of the mountains. Looks a bit icy. Right. So I think what we'd do, just for our ridge pole, we'll use that dead standing wood we found around there. But because I want something nice and stable for when we're sleeping under it, we'd take just this one down. It's a nice width. So be careful, you just want to stay behind me because it could, I'm going to aim for it to fall to the right of us, but there's always a possibility. There was a period of time in my childhood that wasn't easy for me. Since a young age I was always fascinated by the outdoors. My father used to take me out camping. He would teach me some of the survival skills that he learnt in the military. And this really inspired me to find my own path, discovering the outdoors, learning new skills. Right. Do you want to cut it? You want to have a go? Go on.
Okay.
How you getting on?
Rubbish.
That's all right. Just keep going, mate. You're nearly there. If you get tired, you want me to take over, just say.
Okay. Can you have a little go then?
You want me to have a go?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Just hold that for me. I'll get through the rest of this and then... So, up a tiny weeny bit, just underneath the next branch up. Okay, so hold it there a second. I was always out on the streets quite a lot, mixing with the wrong people. For me, nature was always an escape. I could go to the woodland and there no one could tell me what to do. No one was there to judge me. Okay, right, that's done. How's that?
Yeah.
Have a little swing on it.
Okay.
How's that? Feel all right? Good stuff. So when we come down on our heads tonight. So whenever I was having a tough time, I could always escape to the woodlands. It provided me with a place that I could calm down. So not so long ago, I met Ty. He lives with my dad, and he became my foster brother. So you come round here, you'll see. I'll come through this gap here and through that one, yeah. So I need a few more poles along there. There's some smaller ones in the middle, fill the gaps, and then we'll chuck some of them leaves and we'll try and fill it up, and then our bed's gonna go underneath there.
Cool.
I heard from my dad, Ty's having a tough childhood. I don't really know the difficulties that Ty's had with his childhood, but I wanted to show him that nature is an escape.
I could just wait for it to stop bleeding.
All right, come over here then. You might have to, is it on your finger? Okay, so we'll just use one of these.
I think it's the cut's just there.
I'll get an antiseptic wipe on that as
Why
well.
does your finger bleed so much? Like,
All right, keep hold of that with your good hand. Right. Just clean up a bit of that. All right. Good stuff.
I haven't seen my mum for a while. I'd rather not think about school. I think they see me differently because I'm a foster child. I wish they'd put more effort into helping me.
There we go, mate.
Nice.
So now why we've got them dry sticks, I made feather stick up the fat wood. Yeah. Just gonna pop a few of them on there.
I really like being outside because it just gets you away from like the stresses of school and normal problems and stuff.
There you go, you enjoy that. I'm gonna get some more wood on there.
That looks really good.
It's like 5-star dining in Scotland. How hungry are you?
Really hungry.
How hungry are you?
Really, really hungry.
Be better than your school dinner, won't it?
Yeah.
What do you eat at school?
Burgers, chips.
Burgers? I thought they stopped all that. I thought you had to have healthy food now.
No, they stopped selling fizzy drinks, that's about it.
Oh, that's pretty boring.
Mm.
How was school anyway?
Yeah, it's alright.
Good?
Yeah.
No issues?
Not really.
Good stuff. You were getting a bit wound up at one point, weren't you? A few lads, they packed it in now. Time to back off.
Yeah.
It's a bit annoying, isn't it? Bullies.
It's really good.
Nice hot meal. Good for you. Without venison, really good for you. You like it?
Yeah. Do you reckon there's anyone camping up in them mountains right now?
I doubt it very much. It'll be very cold up there. We need to see some wildlife, don't we? So hopefully tomorrow we'll go for a walk. We'll look for some wildlife and go up the mountain. Have you been up a mountain before?
No.
No?
Mm-mm.
That'd be pretty awesome then.
I found it quite funny. I found it quite funny earlier when we saw them things on the water. You were calling them cormorants.
Oh, they're cormorants.
The cormorants are big black seabirds with long beaks.
Are they?
Yeah.
Yeah. How was your night's sleep?
A bit uncomfortable.
Why?
Just because, I don't know, it was just a bit weird.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, my feet were cold as well.
Were you scared at all last night?
No.
No?
No.
Did you hear the owls?
Yeah.
They're quite noisy, weren't they?
Yeah.
Pretty active.
Mm.
Weren't cold though, no?
Just my feet, but
Your
the rest
feet.
of me is fine.
Alright, tight. I'm gonna grab some water, mate.
Okay.
Here you go, take that with you. Give it a good whack, fill it up.
Okay.
Sorted? That ice thick.
A little bit.
Good stuff. Cool, cool. Alright, what do you want to do today then?
I don't know, I've never really lit a fire before, so lighting a fire would be good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're going to be in charge of it tonight.
Okay.
Yeah? You need to make sure you get it going good.
Mhm.
Right, should we pack up and go for a wander then?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, cool. Let's do it.
Where's the path then? God, so tiring.
Huh?
So tiring.
Yeah, it's a long old way up.
Mm.
We've walked a long way.
Ice, ice, baby. Doom, 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 doom. Ow!
Careful. Alright, sit down for a minute. Alright? Take a sit down for a bit. You want to sit there? Or do you want to sit there?
Sit here.
Huh?
Sit here.
Sit here then. We've literally got just there, you see that line coming down here? It stops just there, look. As soon as we're up and over that, we're done. Right, last little push just to there. Yeah? Then we'll set up camp.
Whatever.
Okay, let's go. Ooh, I can barely get up. Here we go, it's quite windy, so this rock looks pretty nice. I think we'll stop here for the night.
Okay.
Right, so we're going to do step back a bit. Where you're stood is where we're going to put the fire.
Okay.
Okay, so it's a wave camp, so I'm just going to put some of this smaller bits here.
Okay.
And then we've got some... There's not much wood, so we're lucky we found that fireplace where someone had left some of their old wood. Because we can use it. There's not many trees up on the mountain.
Yeah.
Right, so you want to light some birch bark, yeah?
Mhm.
Just watch your hand with the blade.
Yeah, I might not be that good at it because my hands are really numb at the moment, so...
We'll try and warm them up a little bit. Have a little go. And I'll get the birch bark ready. Only going to need a small bit. So you want to turn it at a 45-degree angle, just so you can feel it bite. Yeah, nice. Yeah? Feel it bite into it. So you got some nice sparks going. So try and hold it a little bit more straighter like that. That's it. So don't go so fast. Just so you can feel it bite and just a nice consistent hard bit more pressure. That's it. Don't give up, keep going. Let's put a bit of birch bark down there. Another one like that, mate, that would have went. You were so nearly there, you were going to get it, mate, honestly. You're getting, you're picking it up. Let's try and place it right here, okay? Let's try this one. It's a little bit easier because then you haven't got to worry about the knife. Okay, go for it. Fire it straight in there. Get it a bit closer, about here. A bit closer, hold on, you moved out the way, look, want it about there. Stop.
Yes.
So if you want to come this side to me,
Yep.
so we've got a bit of wind.
At least we got a bit of warmth because I was getting really cold.
The problem is you just got to be calm with these sort of things. There's no need to get angry. Why do you get angry? You've been getting angry quite a lot lately, haven't you? Huh?
What do you mean?
My dad said you had an episode a couple of weeks back where you got quite angry.
I've always got angry.
Why?
Don't know.
There must be a reason.
Yeah, well, I don't know it, do I?
Sorry?
I don't know it.
Do you have like an idea of what it might be?
No.
Kicked off quite bad, didn't you? As when you're throwing chairs at some teachers or something. Huh? What's up?
Cold.
You alright? Huh?
Cold.
You're cold. Okay. Right, get off the hide. Let's get you in your bivvy bag and sleeping bag. Yeah? Okay? Right. Candle, the lantern's gone out. Okay. Right, move that out the way. What you do, jog up on the spot as fast as you can. Really get them knees up.
Try to find someone level.
Yeah, go on. Come down this way a bit, just here. Okay, just go here, look. That's it. Just really get running. Get them arms up in the air, get yourself nice and warm.
Oh, I keep falling
So,
over.
go on. That's it. Speed it up a bit. Speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. Feeling warmer? Warming up? Yeah? Take your boots off. Get in there. Get your arms in there. Tuck yourself right in, make sure that bag's in there. Okay, see yourself up a minute. Just need to pull the back up. It's because you've got so many layers on, we're going to have to take them off in a bit. Okay, try and wiggle yourself a bit in there, mate, because I can't. How does that feel?
Yeah, fine.
Okay, keep yourself there a minute.
Okay. When I left Scotland, I had mixed feelings because it meant that I was back to school and problems.
I know the trip wasn't easy for Ty, but I know that he's built up more confidence and that he's going home as a new person.